That's kind of how you're going to get it done. It's going to get done in one of these softwares or apps. Hey, and welcome back to my channel. Jelena Ostrovska here from JelenaOstrovska.com, and this is the best place for coaches, consultants, and entrepreneurs who want to dominate on social media. So let's dive right into the video. How do you edit your videos just by using your phone while you're on the go without hiring anybody? How do you make it the easiest job possible? So in this video, I'm going to walk you through one of my favorite apps that I use to edit my TikTok videos, my Instagram Reels, and any short form of content that I can edit myself without, bugging my video editor. So you can definitely do this. And if you are somebody who doesn't like how TikTok edits videos, if you're somebody who doesn't like how Instagram Reels allow you to edit videos, this video is for you. So I'm about to go ahead and start the screen share on my phone. So I'm going to go ahead and start record because I definitely don't want to forget that. So the app is called INSHOT. You might have heard already. Maybe you haven't. It is available both on iPhone and Android. I double checked before recording this video because I was like, is this available on Android? I really hope it is. So now there's all kinds of different apps that you can be using, but I did find INSHOT to really do the job really well. So this is kind of how it looks like. So I'm going to have it here on the screen. That's their icon. Now, as you can see on my screen here, I do have different photo and video editing apps. I have Splice, and there's Superimpose X, which is kind of not really as popular, I feel like. I've used it for my YouTube thumbnails in the past. And then I have a whole bunch of others. Maybe I'm going to do some tutorials later on. If there's any specific apps that you want me to cover, drop a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to record those. So now let's go ahead and dive right into the InShot. Now I do have the free version, so that's probably why it's showing me some updates right now. I don't know. So yeah, so I do not have the paid version, so they do offer like a trial or whatever. So I honestly haven't seen the need to use the paid version just yet. Honestly, I would just opt in for the one-time purchase because, if you're going to be using it forever, might as well just pay for it for forever. Or you can test it out, pay $4 a month, see if it's for you, if you like it or don't like it. Now, so here's kind of what you can edit. So there is the video, there is the photo, and then there is the collage. So I'm going to go ahead and go with the video, and then there's different kinds of materials. So you can see, you can remove the watermark and ads and things like that. And there's all sorts of different extras and features. A lot of them are actually free, different stickers and things like that. So let's get into the video editing. Now, you can add the new video. You can already see that I've edited like several of them, and there's 56 drafts already saved. So they are being saved. So I'm going to go ahead and do a new video, and we are going to select, so I have this one TikTok that I've recorded and it's actually already published, but I can show you how to edit that. So first of all, it does have the InShot watermark, as you can see at the bottom right corner. You can just click on the X, and then you can either remove it permanently, pay $2.99, and it's always, just not going to be there. You can join the InShot Pro. I usually just click remove this once because I only edit a handful of videos every single, week, so it works for me just fine. Now, so you get to see this entire video. It was kind of an interesting one because I had basically 2 characters, so it was an interesting recording. That video did really well on Instagram. So 2 characters, plays, they do really well. Now, first of all, if you click on the video, you can trim it, and if I drag my finger, I'm basically holding my thumb on the video and it's moving. I'm not gonna do this right now just because it's already trimmed the way it's supposed to be, but then you can click on canvas and you can select which video format you need it to be, right? So if you need a square video, if you need a YouTube format, if you need 9:16 for TikTok, if you need 4:5 or whatever for Instagram. And then the other thing that you can do, if you're saving TikTok videos and it still has this tiny little watermark, you can always, okay, let me pause this, zoom in, right? So I can zoom all the way in, or I can zoom out, and it's going to have that blurry background. So I've asked this question myself, how do people have the blurry background, the way that they have on videos like this? That's kind of how you're going to get it done. It's going to get done in one of these softwares or apps like InShot. Now, you can click on fit and it's going to fit. You can click full and it's basically going to do the same thing. So I'm gonna just basically exit out. So this looks just fine. Now here you can also add music. The music here, it's obviously not going to be the one that you are going to get inside of Instagram or TikTok videos, but you can add different tracks that are basically royalty-free music, or the music that they do have available. You can add music from iTunes. I don't know if I would risk it personally, so just up to you, because you never know if your video is going to get flagged. I know for a fact if you publish the same TikTok into YouTube Shorts, which I actually did a full video on YouTube Shorts right here, so definitely go check it out. It's not going to be a good look on YouTube. I know YouTube does have issues with that, so I wouldn't really risk it. So I would stick to the, that's why when I download something off of Instagram Reels or from TikTok, I make sure they keep their sound and hope I don't get in trouble, right? Now here in the effects, you can add all sorts of, other effects, like there's popular effects like slurp or magic, bottle cork, some of these really popular ones like a bubble. You probably heard some of these. So these are pretty cool. You can add different transition sounds. So again, super, super easy, very easy to get done. So that's effects. Now, the other thing that you can do is you can also, if you have a video and you're like, I really want to do a voiceover, but I don't know how to get it done. Now, you can do a voiceover in TikTok. If you don't have TikTok and you live under a rock, I'm just kidding. You can record it right here. So all you have to do is click record, make sure that you allow the microphone, and then you basically start recording and keep recording for as long as you want, and then you just stop wherever you want to stop, right? And then you can go ahead and basically play it. So it's kind of messy. Then if you don't like it and you want to re-record it, just click on it and then hit delete and you're going to be done. So that's effects. We talked about canvas. We talked about music. You can also add stickers. So you've already seen some of these. I mean, they're kind of funny, some of them, but you can play with them. You can add GIFs. These actually are a great addition to videos a lot of the times, depending what kind of video you record. So if you record something, for example, for YouTube Shorts, or if it's kind of a static video where you just do the talking and you do want to include some fun effects and make the video more engaging, then GIFs or GIFs, however the heck you say those, these are going to be super helpful. So, and you can see what's trending right now, you can see what's funny and whatnot, and this is powered by Giphy, so they're approved to be used, right? Now, all of these other stickers, you can also put them up wherever, so I'm not going to put any of them here. Now, the next feature is the text. This is going to be the most used one, so let's say I'm just going to put hello there. So now what you can do with the text, so you can click on the color and you can change pretty much everything. You can change the border color, you can make it red, you can make a shadow, add a shadow, and see, how big of a shadow you want to. You can change the opacity here as well. See, like, it's becoming more, like, opaque. Is that the word? Label. So so label, it basically gives you, like, a whole background. So now let's just go ahead and put it somewhere. You can, make it bigger, you can make it smaller, and you can basically position it wherever, and it also kind of centers it for you, which is kind of always a nice feature. You know what I mean? So, and it kind of is gone right now. So, and then down here in the video, when I click on the text, then I can click my thumb and basically drag the video, and it shows you everything. It says click me, drag it all the way, or you can double tap it. Okay, now I think you can actually hold it, right? There was a feature that you could just like drag it all the way to the end. Maybe they deleted that and it was kind of confusing. Okay, so if you click on a little arrow, of this green audio, you can just clip to the end, and then it's going to play throughout the entire video, this entire text. And then you can also, video end, and then here you can click beginning, video beginning. So for now, we're just going to delete it. So that's text right there, right? Now you can also add filters. It's basically the same thing that you would do in any other editor. So you can add, different kinds of filters, make it brighter, make it, whichever color that you want, make it, black and white or whatnot. And then there's also some pro features. So if you really like some of these, pro filters, then you may want to, sign up for the pro account. You can also adjust basically everything of the video. If you feel like the video is a little bit too yellow or a little bit too dark, you can, change the contrast, you can change the lightness, and just, drag everything, however. So this is kind of like super warm. And then reset adjust, this little arrow that like goes back, you can just reset and go back to normal. So now the second thing, PIP, so you can basically have a video in video. I've never really used this feature myself personally, but you can place a video inside of a video. So if you have, let's say, a talking head video like this, me talking, and you want to place a video inside this video, this is the feature right there. And then you can basically, have like a video inside of a video. Again, it would be best to use a screen share, you know what I mean? So it's not two audios overlapping. So again, pretty cool. You can drag it, however long you want it to stay. Obviously, as long as the video is. If the video that you want to place inside the video number 2 that you place inside the video number 1 is obviously going to be as long as it's going. So it's not going to be throughout the entire video. So, and then you can add all sorts of different things. You can like add a mask if you want to, so you can like change, you can be in a little heart, you can be in a little whatever. You can also change chroma. I'm honestly not sure what it does. It's like deleting pieces of the background, I guess. I mean, it's kind of messy. Wouldn't use it that much. You can change the volume of it. Maybe you want to like make it a little bit louder. If there is any kind of volume, maybe you want to just disable it altogether. So if you have an audio, like this screen, so this screen that I'm recording, it is with a voiceover just in case I want to use it anywhere else, like in any other of my future videos. But so if I want to place this screen share into this video, I can technically use INSHOT and I can place the video, the screen share, and disable the entire volume, right? So again, I'm going to, and then you can also change the speed if you want it to be like talking like a chipmunk. That's basically going to be it. So now you can also like drag it, you can like move it around however you want. And for now, I'm just gonna exit out, and that's video inside of a video. Now, there is also another feature called precut. I personally don't always mess with this that much. So, but you can like split the clips and like do whatever you want, just tap it around. Again, I just generally, so you can see how the video basically splits in the, in the middle right here. So if you want to disable something, if you mess something up, there's a little button bottom left above the text that you see right now, basically return, and it undoes the split, right? Now, again, if you also want to split the video, there is a button called split right next to the precut. So, and you just split it, and then you remove the access that doesn't need to be in the video. Again, I'm gonna undo it, and then if there's anything else, like you can delete the whole clip and add another one. So there's delete button. Volume, again, this video, you can also adjust the volume if you need to. The good thing, so you can also extract the audio out of the video, and I believe it saves it to your phone, and then you can do whatever the heck you want with that audio. So there's that. Then you can also duplicate the video. You can change the speed right here. Curve, I haven't really messed with it, so I just, again, do the basic, and you can learn as you go with everything else. Then you can also crop the video, so basically the same thing as Canvas, but you crop the video just a little bit. You can also reverse, so if you've seen any of these fun videos where TikTok people, they like, pour the water into the cup and it's actually going backwards, that's the reverse feature right here. You can basically reverse the entire video. Just give it a couple of seconds, like right now, to load, and it's going to do just that. So right now it's basically playing all backwards. Again, I'm gonna undo it because it's gonna look super goofy. And then there's also settings, you can play with the video resolution, whether you want 1080, whether you want 4K video, if that's what your video, if you can have that kind of quality. And then frame rates, I just keep it by default. I feel like 1080 is just enough. Like I don't necessarily need a 4K video quality for something that's just gonna be played on the phone. You know what I'm saying? So, and that's pretty much it as far as video editing inside of InShot. Super easy, super doable, and it's really fast. So, and also like there's one more feature that I'm gonna tell you. So if you want to add a clip at the end of this video, if you have like multiple videos that you wanna piece together. You basically record, let's say, an Instagram short, an Instagram reel, or YouTube short, or TikTok, and you just record them on your phone. You can click on this plus button, and you can also add video photo, right? So I can just add, the second video and place it, and it's gonna be placed right here. So pretty cool. Definitely recommend using that. So if you enjoyed this video, let me know down below in the comment section. I really hope this kind of gave you some ideas of how easy video editing can be when you're just on the go. You don't have a whole lot of, time on your computer. And it just gets the job done super fast. Now, if you are editing videos on your computer, if you're on specifically on MacBook, I do have a video right here on how to edit videos using iMovie, and then I have another video that I'm gonna link everything in the description box. Definitely check it out. There is a video that I did talking all about how to actually record a screen share video with your existing software on your computer. Definitely check those out. Let me know if this was helpful. Let me know if you want me to cover any other apps, video editing, photo editing apps, how to edit Instagram photos. I actually do have a video on how to edit Instagram photos, so definitely check it out. So with that being said, I appreciate you. I hope this was helpful. Hit that subscribe button if you enjoy videos like this, hit the like button, and hit the bell sign to get notified every single time there is new content, which is multiple times on this channel. And in the meantime, before you leave, check out these videos right here all about creating content, building a business, social media, coaching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.